Alright, good day everyone. Let's take a look at the market today. Euro dollar. Now yesterday I said euro dollar is going to do a U-turn either from here or from the double top to channel top area. And yesterday on your 15-minute chart, that was a clean signal to go short, and the market came short. There was enough pips to cover yourself, so that's 30 pips all the way down here. Plus it went up, and then the weekly pivot was the sell area. Okay, so that was rather good. What we're going to do today, let's refresh the chart, go back and forth. Oops. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart to see what's going on. Okay, that's 15-minute chart refreshed. And let's make that the 1 hour chart. Okay, so today what we're going to do is this. The market's got an opportunity to sell slightly higher. On the 4 hour chart, you see where that is. It's the red line here. If it comes back up to the red line here, this is the area where we want to sell. Alright, so sell from here to go down. Or you wait for a U-turn from this range here between the GAN and the red. If you're selling here, obviously your stop's going to be above high of yesterday, which is above 33.05. Alright, so that's what we want to do. I want to push the market to go lower. Pound. Yesterday I drew this line. Okay, it was an obvious area. Market came up here, just off the GAN line here. It's, you can see the GAN line. There's arrows there before, so it's the GAN line and this line was an obvious area for us. Okay, and the market is still lower. So what we want to do is still sell the pound dollar. If you haven't done so yesterday, then all you have to do is basically sell at this GAN line or this double top here. Okay. There's really nothing else. There's no other option on this currency pair other than that. So let's do that. Okay, so all you have to do basically sell here or here. Dollar yen, same scenario. Now the market had room to come down here. I reckon it still has got room to come down here. Okay, so we want to go long, for obvious reasons, but we want to come back first. It's on a daily pivot, that's great. Let the market fall back and then let's go long again. Obviously, buying up here is not an option for us. We want the market to come down in order to go long. Dollar franc, same thing here. We want the market. Yesterday I said the market had room to come down to a double bottom. It didn't actually make a double bottom. It was pretty close, but didn't. So it was enough for us to wait for a U-turn on the 15-minute chart. And on a 15-minute chart, that is a clean signal. Alright, on a 15-minute chart yesterday, that was a clean signal. That was a clean go signal. You can see there's always room to cover yourselves. I mean, from there to there is 30 points. We take a cover on about 25 to 30 points. We cover ourselves with half a position, move the stop up. Okay, so if we get stopped out, we're still in profit or in no loss. Now today what we want to do with this currency pair is obviously buy at a lower price. Okay, what we want to do is to see a bit of divergence, and then once the market comes down, then we can go long in. The first obvious stop today, support today, is going to be this 92.70 area. Alright, that's going to be a first obvious support level. But on the 1 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, we've got a bit more room to come down. So don't rush into it. Let the market come down. If it bounces off earlier, you can always go in with the U-turn entry, just like on a U-turn here. Alright, so it's not a problem at all. Okay, so let's go take a look at gold. Right, let's take a look at gold. Now gold, okay, all good. Same kind of thing yesterday. What do we say as it raised its head up? We want to go short. Okay, same here. On gold, you want to go short around 1,303, 1,300. Yeah, around 1,303 to 1,306 area. If it comes up here, you want to short it. End of story. All right. So let the market come up and then go for the U-turn here. There's two levels, one here, one there. There's nothing else you can do. On the 4 hour chart, that's your area. Alright, if you want to wait for the 4 hour chart, let the market come up touch this and then just nail it down, okay, because it's got room to go down. Alright, that's about it for today on the currency pairs and gold. Have a great day trading.